How you can block friend requests on Facebook. So all you need to do is to open your settings and privacy. You can get there if you click on your profile in the right upper corner area. Here's the account and here will be the option settings and privacy. Once you are here on the left, we want to go to privacy and checkup. Open this section and here you'll find how can people find you on Facebook. Open this section. Now we need to click continue. Here is the option who can send you a friend request. Now it's set to everyone. You can click it. You can only set it to friends of friends and click on save. Now you can continue. And here is about Facebook suggesting your profile. I prefer also turn this option off so people with your email address and phone number will not get suggested your account. Then click on next and turn off if you want to search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile, and click next, and that's it. So you cannot actually completely turn off friend requests, but you can prevent from requesting from anyone. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.